That video blew up and resonated with a lot of you, which is motivating me more to make TikToks that teach nursing school content, because it seems like these big schools are buying programs like Kaplan and ATI and UWorld, and then they create the tests for each semester, but the teachers don't even know what's going to be on the test, so they don't even know what to teach, which means they don't even know what's going to be on the exam, which means that they make these BS PowerPoints. Oh my gosh, I had somebody email me a PowerPoint from their nursing school, and I promise you it was the shittiest PowerPoint I've ever seen in my life. And my daughter, who was in 4th grade, just made her first PowerPoint ever. It was for Black History Month, and she picked Kobe Bryant, and she did a whole PowerPoint, and it was better than this professor's PowerPoint. It was so bad. So now I need to do something. So I will make videos to explain to you nursing school topics in a very basic way. I already have 2 up. Go check my last couple videos. And I'm thinking about not creating like a course, because you don't want something like that. Maybe like an app that will give you some quick lectures of me talking in a very simple, very like with slang and maybe a little language, just like I'm talking to a friend, but explaining the pathophysiology of everything you need to know. Yeah, like an app with printouts and lectures and quick little study guides, maybe some encouraging messages that go to your phone, something like that, because nursing school is failing you all. I'm like shocked at all the comments in that video. Yeah. So anyway, I love you and I want more of you to pass.